Hello, this is Ni Amuda and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, you're very welcome. If you're new, if you're a returning subscriber, whichever category you fall into, you're so welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified when I post tutorials like this. Okay, so the GDB Design Challenge continues today, August 2nd, and this design is what we're going to be modeling. Okay, we're going to draw inspiration from here and create something close to it. Okay, so let's start. So what I'll do here now is I'll take this guy out. Alright, so we're gonna be drawing inspiration from it, so let me bring in some stuff. Let's start with the text. So it's testifier. Right, so I'm going to use this T, right, as one of the main texts. Right, then let's choose a font that we're going to be using for this one. So I'm going to use Bebas and Montserrat. So this is the first one, Bebas. Alright, okay, so we can always come here to see what we're doing. Okay, testifier. Alright, then there's a fire there. Okay, so we just look into this. Alright, okay, so this stuff here. Alright, so I want a white background. I want a white background. Okay, alright, and this is gonna be, I want the testy to be black. Alright, and I want the fire to be red. Alright, red. Let's leave that. Okay, so stuff like this. The next you want to do is to bring in some other information. Alright, so what's here is testimonies that inspire, transform, and empower. Testimony that inspires, transform, and empowers. So we've got a new font. I'll put it there. So quickly type in testimonies that inspires, transform, and what? Empower. Alright, so this is more like a subtitle or something like that. Nature. Alright, so put it there. Okay, so remember I said I'm going to be using Bebas and Montserrat, so we'll just go to the Montserrat family. Montserrat, Semi. Okay, I would use. Okay, let's use this. Reduce. Alright, we'll centralize that. So we're gonna get the images. So but let's look at how we want the images to be placed. Do we want to use a shape or want to use a circle? Right, I want to use a circle, so I'm going to put this circle right here. This is the first circle. Let's this is the first circle. Let's add, alright, red. So it's going to be 3. Okay, there's another one like this, and there is another one like this. Alright, so I'll reduce this one. Okay, and this is going to be here too. Okay, so let's do this. Centralize this at the middle so that these other ones can be here. Okay, so the first image is going to come here. Let's use this texture to add the images. So let the lady be at the middle. Okay, let the lady be at the middle. Alright, so because we'll use this, I will pick our face only. Alright, then we make it okay. In that case, it means we're going to be taking out this color so that we can see the lady's face pop up. Would add outline to it. Only outline be this. Right. For this, as you take out this. Okay, so texture. I get this guy here and take the face. Alright, so that's the guy, and cool. And this right here, we'll take this again. So any format you want to use to add a picture, if you want to max it like this, want to use this texture to add it, no problem. Whichever way you decide to use, it's your choice. So I'm going to use a black outline for this one, a black outline. Alright, and then this also I will use a black outline. Alright, okay, so for their names, before we put their names, let's look at some other information. So let's get their names first. Okay, so for their names, we just come over here, and because we're just writing stuff, we just put any decent name. Okay, so let's start with Matthew. Okay, Pastor. Okay, so Matthew Smith. It's not a real name anyway. Okay. Alright. So we just copy and this can be Joe Johnson. Alright, then this can be Miss K. Right, we just adjust it. Right, so we've gotten this part of it. Let's see the time. Wow, 9 minutes. So the other information is going to be very fast. So we want to get a background that we're going to be using, but we can also bring in this because it has to do with testifying, speaking forth. So we're using a microphone. Okay, just to repeat that. Okay, sure. Right, so this will come in. reduce this a little more. No, let's reduce this line. And then come here and put this guy there. Okay, so this will come in. Alright, so this order information. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I will put it to the top, and yeah. Okay. Okay, so the other stuff we've got here is, let's see. We have speak Kaduna, okay, team, the essence, and venue, blah 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 blah. All right, so let's go. Team, the essence. Right, so because of that information that is there, we'll still have to put this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have to push this to the bottom. No. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, so alright, team, the essence. Notice the black here. Alright, so alright, venue is going to be there. Alright, so speak Kaduna. Okay, Kaduna. Okay, so let's make that one black. Alright, so let's use a line here for demarcation. So to create, to show that we enter another section, so use a line there. Color should be black. Right, make it So this is going to be the venue, and the other information is time and date, which we can also make a slant like this. Also I'll put it also on a straight line like this. Alright, so let's assume that we're going to put something there. Alright, let's say it's going to be on a Sunday 5th August 2022. Alright, then let's put a demarcation here. Right, then we'll put in 12:30 p.m. Okay, so that's for the time. Alright, so let's show that demarcation by putting a color here. Okay, right, so that is that. Move this to this side. Alright, so we got a shape. Alright, let's get a design. So let's get this date icon. So we'll get the one that has a date and a time, which is this one right here. Alright, so I'll quickly download it. Okay, P3Y9. Okay, so you can also get venue icon. Okay, so venue, I said venue icon. Okay, so let's go with location icon. So we just click and then download. Shouldn't take so much time actually. Okay, so that's it. So go back to PixelLab. Right, it's PixelLab now. Right, so we can remove this guy here. Right, to import what we just downloaded. Check again. Got this guy. Okay, so reduce it. Reduce it. This is gonna be for the date and the time. First, before that, I'm going to put a circle around this. Alright, so I'll enable the color to be red. See, so I'll put it right there. So I'm working with shapes like this, and we're not able to see it very well. Just zoom it and then we'll do our work with ease. So I'll put it there. Alright, okay, so we can bring in this guy now. Alright, so just reduce the size. So it's going to fit inside that box, and and the color is going to change to white. Alright, so that's for that. Then we'll pick the same shape and we'll put it right there where we have the location. Okay, so we'll get this guy here. Okay, reduce the size and then we'll change the color to white. Alright, okay, okay, so this is just basically something that we wanted to do. Okay, this can go. So if you look at the background is plain. All right, so if we wanted to add more to it, we could add, right, we can bring this guy and use it to form other part of the background and faint it behind. Okay, so let's just do something. Okay, just reduce the opacity. Still make it bigger. Alright, well, this time we're going to send it to the back of this piece. Right, okay. Send to the back. Alright, so it's just a simple design. Right, it's just a simple design. It doesn't need to take so much time. So, but the idea is that if you notice very well that the original design here, check, you will see that you cannot really say I pick from your design because it's quite different. Alright, so that's the idea behind modeling. Okay, so that's cool. Alright, so we'll stop it here and continue tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post tutorials like this. Alright, and check the screen now. You're going to see some awesome videos. Click on them, any of them, and enjoy. I will see you in the next tutorial. My name is Ni Amuda.